Good afternoon, my dear students. Today's story is very special because we will be explaining today that how a student get multifold basic to advanced approach at A.S.S. So many of the students have put up this query last week to us कि सर आप लोगों का प्रोटोकॉल क्या रहता है. So we have a four-fold protocol for any student from basic to advanced which boosts their confidence like anything that they qualify each and every interview wherever they go, and they defend their research proposal also in most of the research institutes. For that purpose, we have taken the story of one of our star achiever, Ankita. She have defended, or you can say she have qualified the interview and defended her research proposal at 5 places successfully with our team. So Ankita have done her BSc from Delhi University, Acharya Narendra Dev College in Botany Honors. And then she did her Masters in Environmental Sciences from JC Bose University, Faridabad, previously called as YMCA Faridabad. So when she came to us for the live online program on regular basis, she was not very much confident about the subject. I can tell you the day one. And then we said to her, okay, you start with the classes. एंड डेली बेसिस पे हम 3 आवर डिवोट करते हैं 1 आवर फॉर पेपर 1 एंड 2 आवर फॉर सब्जेक्ट एंड इट मेक्स समथिंग अराउंड 90 आवर्स इन अ मंथ मीन 6 मंथ में आपको 540 घंटे हमारे संग पढ़ना है. तो उन 540 घंटे में से करीबन 350 घंटे का टाइम जो है वो सब्जेक्ट पे डिवोट होता है और 190 और 180 आवर्स का टाइम जो है पेपर 1 पे डिवोट होता है. आफ्टर being sincere and regular with such kind of schedule, the student is able to grasp the basics so well कि उनका सब्जेक्ट इतना अच्छा हो जाता है वो वन गो में ही जेआरएफ क्वालिफाई कर लेते हैं. एंड दिस गर्ल वाज सो एक्टिव अलोंग विद कि पहले अटेम्प्ट में जेआरएफ क्वालिफाई किया. देन शी आस्क्ड सर मेरे पास मैथ्स नहीं है बट आई वांट टू गो फॉर एनवायरमेंटल साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग. आई से गो फॉर इट. And then she qualified GATE environmental science and engineering also in the very first attempt, which is uh, quite a surprising task for a non-mathematics student, right? But her basics were so sharp that she was very good at other 8 units. After that, she was with our team क्योंकि वहां पे हम स्टूडेंट को नहीं छोड़ते हैं. We take them to the research proposal guidance and interview specially. Our entire team will work them like anything for the same. So she was appearing for the various interviews across India. In that series, आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि when she was appearing for it, first she gave the interview at IISER Bhopal, she got selected. Then she gave the interview at IISER Mohali, she got selected. Then she gave the interview at IIT Jodhpur, then she got selected. Then she gave the interview at CSIR Niri, she got selected. Then she gave the interview at CSIR, right, IITR, she got selected. So all the 5 places where she gave the interview, she got selected, and she was not uh, even a single time she said, "Sir, I faced some difficulty during the interview." So the guidelines at ASS is quite clear that we take students from 0 to 100 and we go till last mile. Even after qualifying the exam, the student will be under our custody for the preparation of research proposal, how to defend your research proposal for the area you want to, and how to give a decent interview. We conduct the mock interview with the students. That is the quality kind of input our entire team is putting from since 2010. So it's like a sort of 14 long year which ASS have been practicing this. And that is the reason behind the success of the student, like multifold success of the student. If you talk about Ankita, she got selected at all the 5 places after facing the committee members and the interview. Now she has finally decided to join the IISER Mohali after her interest is matching with the area she wished to. So on such a tremendous achievement, we would like to congratulate Ankita. And for all the other students of the subject, those who are planning to qualify the JRF or NET-LS or planning to get into a PhD, India or abroad with respect to environmental sciences, They are most welcome to join us. We have a multifold program regime in the NET-JRF, like starting from correspondence and test series along with the correspondence with video program. जिनके पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं होता है, जॉब में वर्किंग है, they can go for correspondence with video or only correspondence. And the people who have time, they can go with live online program. And the people who are dedicatedly devoting time, they can go for offline center of us at Delhi. Along with that, student can also go for GATE, Ecology, Evolution, or Environmental Science and Engineering. Institute is also offering some skill-based courses such as GIS and remote sensing in data sciences and data analytics, especially by Dr. A.K. Mishra. Institute is also offering comprehensive guidance program for master students who are planning to do the masters after the graduation in life sciences or environmental sciences or biological sciences, such as IIT JAM, TIFR, IISC, and CUET PG. Institute is also offering comprehensive guidance for the student who wish to pursue their master's or PhD from abroad. So those who are interested in a complete schedule of from 0 to 100 and wish to knock the success in the first go, they are most welcome. Most of the program just has started and the people are most welcome to join. And there is a scholarship provisions for meritorious student in all our program. Those who have the good background in masters or their UG, they are most welcome. All other peoples are most welcome. So those who are interested, they can reach us on the given numbers through our YouTube or Instagram or Facebook pages. Because the December exam is approaching faster, GATE is also approaching faster for 2025 GATE as well as December 2024 NET-JRF. Institute is also offering a rapid crash course for the September re-exam. Those who are waiting for the re-exam also, we have a very nice crash course and well-designed daily basis target for the student. So those who are interested, they can reach us. But quality is assured, like you can see in the case of Ankita, every interview she was able to qualify because we do not leave our student unless they are fully prepared to defend their research proposal as well as the interview, even after qualifying the JRF. So that is the basic motto at A.S.S. and we are emphasizing the quality rather than quantity. That is our agenda from last 14 years. Thank you.